Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, Avalanche, Doge in that order. And guys, once again, we nailed our targets. Look what we had here. Look at this. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful. We talked about this being our buy area, and I'm going to show you a quick video. I didn't post a video for the last couple days because, guys, what I do here is I give you these moves well in advance. So you're prepared for them, guys. So you can make it's hard to trade, okay, when you're not prepared and you don't have a plan, right? So let me show you how important a plan is. And guys, I'm going to show you how, look at this. We zoom in, how we got Bitcoin. Because guys, Bitcoin runs the market. If we buy here, okay, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But guys, if we buy here, okay, we can buy Ethereum. Look at Matic. We got Matic perfect at 131. We got what we got? Cardano. We talked about at 91 to 93 area for a buy. Look, there's our 93. We talked about Solana coming down, touching this 50-day moving average. Talked about support at 106, which is currently turning into resistance, which we're getting rejected at. We talked about SHIB Army, SHIB Nation, a buy zone here. Look, our buy zone here, a sell zone here, sell zone here, buy zone here, sell zone here. I mean, these are huge moves. Look at this, guys. I mean, talked about this as our top. Look at this. When we did this one, when we bought down here, we actually bought this low perfect and sold it way up here. And then you guys can't remember this. You guys watch my channel. This 1,000% move when we were, I was giving away SHIB right here, so everybody could get in, and and people ended up texting me great messages. They bought cars and everything else, and I hey, I'm happy for everybody that made tons of money off that move. Avalanche, look, I mean, guys, come on, look at this. 74. I actually had 72 on the Coinbase chart. I think I talked about 72 on my last video I did a couple days ago. But I just want to play a quick clip. And Doge, you guys know we crushed it on Doge. Actually, you know what? Let's play a quick clip of my YouTube video from a couple days ago. Or actually, it was 4 days ago, guys. Ready? Look where Bitcoin's at, and look at the price. Ready?
As I go,
I'm showing you how I got the price
I move
for
it up
the target.
to D because that was our last.
We talked about this
low.
Gartley pattern
We pull it up to D,
and how I got it. Watch that video.
So we go from C to D, and that's how we get this target. All right, so that's a target I'm really looking at, and I'm going to show you why in a minute.
Okay, so that was our target. And now look at this. Look at 131 right here. We talked about rejection. This is Matic. Look at Cardano.
How much time do I have?
Look at Cardano. When do you see Cardano, guys?
Avalanche,
110.
Same thing, guys. I want to see this.
I said Avalanche.
Rejected right at my
Look,
110.
110.
110 and 107.
107.
Video, you guys
and then I talked about this
out.
93 to 92 in my last video. Exactly. But you guys, you get the point. Look, we're giving you these targets well in advance. I don't know anybody that's doing this on YouTube right now, or I don't know anybody that's giving these kind of targets. Okay, so now what do? We nailed our targets. Everybody should have made money from my videos. If you didn't, sub, hit the bell, hit the all. What are you waiting for, guys? I mean, I'm giving you these videos. I mean, this video was from what? April 8th, guys. April 8th. Look what happened. It played out perfect to the T. I mean, we even got my rejection at my rejection zone, which now I'm looking at that target. Okay? I'm looking at that target. All right? So let's see what happens. For Bitcoin, guys, this is what I really want to see for Bitcoin. Okay? First of all, we have this pattern. Beautiful pattern on the 4-hour. What do we got, guys? What do you guys see here? Well, what do we have? We have a nice W pattern right here. Boom, 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 boom. Awesome. You guys know when we like how we trade these, right? How we get our targets. What do we do here, guys? Get your target. Boom, boom. Okay. And then what do? We bring it up, touch the top where we break. We wait for it to break. It already broke. It did not retest though, so I don't like that. So we could come back down and retest this 40,700. We could not, but I would look for a retest. But I'd be looking at this target here, probably maybe a wick anywhere from this 42,100 to 42,356 area. And then when I really would get bullish, guys, this is where I really get bullish on Bitcoin again, because right now I'm still a little bit bearish, but I can see some upside here. For for a short-term move to the upside. But where I really look to get bearish is this 44 right here. I'm sorry, bullish. If we can get a daily candle closing above this target here, I'll zoom in on it, this 44,000. If we can do that, then I'd actually be looking higher at 45, 46, and potentially going higher than that, breaking that 48 and getting back up into this 50 area. To the downside, I just don't want to see a daily candle closing under 39,600, or actually 39,500. 39,500, no daily closing under there. If we can do that, then we can stay above that. We can trade sideways or even push higher in these moves, okay? Ethereum, same thing. You can see I already had the W. I actually made a video, guys, and it didn't download. I had this whole thing. It was awesome. My energy was great. So if my energy is a little bit low, it's because I just made a video. But and then it didn't save. So we got the W here. Boom, boom, boom. We look. We're currently hitting my one target right here. First of all, we talked about this 2980 area in my last video. But I had this fib. What is this? Are we on Coinbase? Yeah, I had this fib on Coinbase. Did I have it? I don't think I had it on. I think I did a Binance chart. Well, I had my buy area. Guys, if you bought in this area, you're still looking okay. But let's go back to my Coinbase chart. Let's see here. Coinbase. Where right here. I know this is a little bit ugly of a chart, but I like this bottom target and I like this top target. I might have this. Do I have that on? No, I don't think I have this top target. So I like this target right here, this 3,200 area, 32, maybe even 16 area for this potential W play out. Could we retest down here at 3,080 or 3,089? Yeah, we could do that. But yeah, I like this. I like this target for now. Do I think we could go higher? Yes. As long as, let's see. Let's go look at the daily on Ethereum, guys. We're hitting my target perfect for a rejection. We're getting rejected right there. Unbelievable. This is what we do, guys. You know what we did? We talked about this 50-day moving average. Bouncing off this 50-day moving average, and we bounced off it perfect. Look at that. Boom! Okay? So even if you didn't have this target, we talked about 50-day moving average. You guys can see it right here. 50-day moving average, 50 right here. Bouncing off that 50-day and getting a move. Okay, and that's exactly what we did. We talked about that in my video. To the downside, I just don't want to see any daily candle closing on a higher term time frame. Just a daily candle closing in general, which our next daily candle closes in about 13 minutes, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, guys. Right now, it's currently, as I'm doing this video, at 7:47 p.m. So we're going to get a new daily candle. It's going to open up right here or wherever this thing closes. And then we're either going to go up or we might have a little dip down, retest this 3,090 and then go up. So don't get too scared. Now, if we go a little lower than that, don't get freaked out. But if we get a 4-hour time frame closing above that, then I would look for this W to play out, okay? Because it's not confirmed yet until we retest it, in my opinion. We could. Sometimes we don't. Let me get some kind of lock on there. Boom, right there. So yeah, 3,089. Get some kind of test there, maybe on a 4-hour, hold it, or we can wick it. But as long as we get the 4-hour candle closing or even a 6, then I believe we can get up into this higher term time frame. To the downside, like I said, just nothing under the previous low, which was 29.96. Okay, Matic. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Not only did we hit the bottom of my target, but we're actually hitting the top of it and getting rejected right there, guys. You saw the video. I can't make this up. This is what we do. Sub, hit the bell, hit the all. I'm giving you these moves well in advance, guys. These moves are coming well in advance. If you guys would have followed my channel from the beginning, we were calling those moves at 28. When things were going bad is when I decided this is a new channel. When things were taking that initial dip coming off the high, I started this video like a couple weeks when things were going down. Everybody was panicking because I saw really bad TA. I saw people panicking. TA, if you guys don't know, is technical analysis, is what we're doing right here. And I said, I can't take it. I can't take it, guys. I need to help people. I need to go out and do something about this, help people. And that's what I'm trying to do, guys. I had people in my lifetime, in my journey, help me. And now I want to give back and help you guys the best way I can. And this is how I'm doing it. I'm showing you and giving you these levels. I'm not making a dime off this, guys. All I'm asking is to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, hit the all, sub to my channel. Once I get over 1,000, I said I'm going to go live. I just want the chat to be lively. I want there to be people in the chat. I don't want to get a chat and there's 20 people asking me to chart the same thing. So uh, get my channel going, guys, because I don't know anybody that's doing what we're doing here. I mean, look at this. We called every single. I mean, perfect. Look, I even had this as a rejection, guys. Circled. And then our downside, buy. I mean, this is insane. So Matic, look at, you can see my levels, guys. I want to see a higher term time frame closing above 144. Get back above 149.6. If we could do that, clear this 50-day. Higher term time frame above the 50-day, which is coming in at 151. I would look for 156, big target, and then 160 and get back up into this trading range up here. To the downside, well, I don't want to go back under 136 on a daily candle. Okay. If we do, then we could see this 131 or even this possible downside here. I don't know if I would go that low. You know what? Let's do this, guys. Let's do this like professionals, like the professionals that we are on my channel. Let's do this. Where are we going? Boom. Yeah, that's what I would look for. If we do break down, look for that area. You can see it on my map. Bang, bang, boom. So basically, back in between my box here. Now you saw the W patterns on Ethereum and on Bitcoin, right? Those are bullish. Do we have one here? Nah, not really. So let's just see if we can just break our levels and get past our levels and touch our levels on Matic. Cardano, guys. Currently, we almost are getting that daily candle closing above the 50-day moving average. So let's see if that holds. That's not it. What was that? Anyways, was that it? What's going on here? Okay, 50-day. I must have hit the wrong button. But the 50-day moving average, which is coming in right around 96.7. If we can get a daily candle closing above there, then I would like to see this 100 level. 100. Yeah, that'd be cool if it was 100. A dollar area, getting a daily candle closing above there, and to the downside, I just want to see the 93 hold up. No daily candle closing under the 93. Okay. Solana, I want to see a daily candle closing back above 106. Right now, we're getting rejected there. I talked about that being a big area. Let's get back above 106. If we don't, we talked about bouncing off this 50-day moving average. We got our bounce off the 50-day moving average. Okay, so let's see if that holds up. Currently, that's at 99. So let's not see any daily candle closing under 99. Let's get a daily candle closing above 106, and then maybe we can move back to this 115 and 117 area, and then my upper target at 122. And if we could do that, then maybe we clear the 131 and get back above that 144. All right. Shib Army, Shib Nation. Look at that. I don't even know, man. This is absolutely incredible how we just trade this and just crush it over and over. You see my buy zone. Okay, we talked about I think 2250 and maybe 2300. But this is my buy zone. Buy in the zone, we sell in the zone. We buy in the zone, we sell in the zone. Okay, we bought down here on this dip. I had this dip marked, guys. If you watch my videos, first of all, we bought down here and we broke this trend. Look at this. Look where we were buying, guys. We broke the trend. We made over 1,000%. Like I said, people are telling me how they bought cars and everything else. And, hey, I'm so happy for all you guys. This is why I started this. And, guys, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. Then we had our target up here. Then I talked about, guys, I'm out right here. Hey, wait for this target right here. Bing, bang, boom. Actually, I think I traded this right here. This bounce off of that, and we traded this up here. But I got rid of that chart because it was old. Then we talked about this area, the 1708. I talked about this area for a long time. I waited for that. Boom. Got in on the bounce. Boom. I had my rejection zone at 35.61. And I think I took that. How did I get that? Let's see. Where was it? Was it right here to here? No, it must have been. It must have been that previous high because it was the previous high was here. That had to have been how I did it. Let's look. Let's look how I did it, guys. No, it must have been there. Huh. How did I get that zone? I don't remember, guys. That was a video I did a long time ago. But we crushed that zone. That's all I know. We had that as our sell zone. I'll have to go back and look. I don't know. How much time do we have? Can we figure this out? Shib? Because that's going to irritate me. But anyways, what are we looking at now? Well, what are we looking at now? Well, I want to see this, guys. I want to see a higher term time frame, a daily candle closing above 28.64. If we can do that and push above this 30, get a higher term time frame above the 30. Sorry, that was my sell zone marker. Delete. Where's delete? Come on, pop up. Delete. Oh, that's a move. Oh, that's a moving average because I'm on Coinbase. I forgot. It hasn't been trading that long on Coinbase. What is coin? Is this the 200 day? Okay, we're actually moving. It's been on Coinbase for a while now. Yeah, so I want to see higher term time frames closing above this area, and then maybe we can push back above this area. To the downside, I want to see the 24 hold up. This 50-day moving average, 2400 holding up. I don't want to see a higher term time frame closing under there. Cardano, I'm sorry, Avalanche, guys. We talked about this area anywhere from 72 to 74, getting a potential bounce. Well, we got that bounce. What do I want to see? Well, I want to see a higher term time frame closing. I would really like to see it above 84, 85 area. 85, high 85 on a daily. I would be start to get bullish and get a little higher on here. Would I look for rejection anywhere from 81 to 84? Yes. That's a very, very possibility. So, because this was our holding, our support. I talked about this 80 to 80 or 81 to 80 area holding. Once we broke it, look what happened. Boom, down to the downside. And I told you that was big support. Once we broke it, we were going to head down. You could have shorted that, made a bunch of money. To the upside, you guys know my upside targets. We can really draw them up if you want, but I talk about them. Boom, there it is. I want to see that level break. We can probably just take it a little bit higher. And I want to see that level break on a daily to go higher. To the downside, well, let's just see if the 77 and this 74 area holds up on a higher turn. Actually, 72 on a higher turn time frame. Okay, which I want to mark 72 because I have it on Coinbase. See, if you look at my Coinbase chart, boom, there it is. Look at that 72. Nailed it perfect to the bottom. You could look. I even have 85 already, guys. This is an old chart. This is an oldie but goodie. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Look at it. Look at these levels. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I still stick by some of these levels. But I changed it up because when things were going down, I had to go back to Binance because it was trading longer on Binance. Okay. How much time do I have left? All right. So let's move on to Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin, I just want to see this 50-day moving average. You can see right here, 50-day, which is coming in right around 1308. As long as we stay above that, don't get a higher term time frame like a daily closing underneath that. If we do, I would look for the 12 to hold up as support. But yeah, I just want to see staying above there. Right now, this is looking strong, so let's stay above there. Let's see if we can get a daily candle closing above this 1408. If we could do that, I want to see a higher term time frame like a daily closing above 1532. If we can do that, then maybe we could push back up to this 17. And then eventually I want to break out of this pattern, get to this 21 and this 26 and 27 area. And then even, things go really good, we can hit this 51 to 53 area if we can break out of this beautiful pattern right here. You can see how we called this perfect. But I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Moral of the story, much love to all you guys. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. I'll put my stock tweets in the description. You can follow me on stock tweets. Much love to all you guys. And I think that's it for tonight's video. Peace out.